So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin yung Game 2 kabola ng Ginebra at saka Meralco Bolts kabola. And then we will have a trade suggestion for the Magnolia Hotshots kabola. And then of course, comments po ng mga fans. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start nga po. Pag-usapan muna natin, no? Yung Ginebra Meralco. I know, maybe at the posting of this video, tapos na yung series kabola. 2-0 na ngayon eh. Pero I just want to give praises to them. Ano po kabola? So I recorded this Sunday na to kabola. I just want to give praises to those two teams kabola, di ba? They're grabe talaga. I mean, kahit basta Ginebra Meralco series, alam natin 90% chance kabola the game will be quality. And this game 2 na napanood po natin sa quarterfinals, it's top notch. It's 11 out of 10 type of quality of basketball yung napanood natin. You can actually watch it again in the fourth quarter kung gaano po kadaming nag-change yung leads kabola, kung gaano ka-exciting, kung gaano ka-tough yung mga shots na pinapasok ni na Hodge, ni na Newsome, ni na Durham kabola, of course ni na Brownie, ni na Barrientos, ni na Thompson kabola, even Han Misi had a crunch time shot there kabola. This guys kabola, this battle between this franchise kabola is really entertainment. It's pure peak basketball ng PBA kabola. I mean, yeah, of course, PBA it's on the downward spiral, but still, no, you can still get this quality basketball kabola. And again, respect to the two teams. Talagang I was amazed, mesmerized with that quality of basketball na napanood ko. And of course, all the glory, of course, deserve po yan ni Justin Brownlee kabola. The guy is a menace. He again delivered that heartbreak kabola to Durham. To Durham naman, respect to the highest level. The guy really tried to carry Meralco to the victory kabola. Grabe talaga. It was an amazing ball game. It's yun yung mga klase po ng mga ball game na gusto mong ulitin, hindi kabola. 'Di ba? O gusto mong ulitin kasi iba talaga eh. Kabola. I think Meralco Ginebra is really the rivalry, 'di ba? Of this decade, of this past 10 years of the PBA. This is the rivalry that keeps on giving, so we should give the right respect to it, kabola. This rivalry is now the Manila Clasico of this era, kabola. Regardless kung mag-retire na sina Brownie siguro, sina Durham, I think we can still anticipate that every match of Ginebra and Meralco will be this, not really this good, but will be very good, kabola. So comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Ron Z before 1, palitan na talaga ang Coach Chito, isama na pati si Sanggalang na puro turnover ginawa. Ito mga comments pa doon nung sa game 1 kabola. Sabi dito, Missile DR Arvin Tolentino sa Magnolia malapit na. Manuel dito versus tanking pa ibibigay lang naman sa SMB or Ginebra, ganun din naman. Of course, yan po yung anticipation natin. Jerem sa Dainyo, why hilaw daw? Then Alvin Makisanas, tapos kunin si Tolentino kapalit ni De La Rosa at Escoto. Grabe naman yun. De La Rosa at Escoto po kapalit ng isang Tolentino. I think that's not a fair exchange kabola. It's too one-sided. Now, ito po ang fair exchange na i-suggest namin for Magnolia, diba? Kasi nga, we still believe that they're interested to Stan Heidinger. And of course, the most realistic po talaga na path niya ni Stan Heidinger is wala na pong iba, kundi dito nga po sa Magnolia. Kaya, we will suggest a fair trade, no? Of course, ang assumption natin dito is legit team po ang Magnolia. I mean, ang Terra Firma. And this is our suggestion. Ian Sanggalang and Peter Alfaro po for Christian Stan Heidinger. So, we believe, of course, yung risk kasi ni Stan Heidinger talaga pumalik po ng Europe, then wala nang makuha ang kapalit po yung Terra Firma. So, para sa akin, Sanggalang, who is injury prone, and then Alfaro, who is a good young rookie kabola, is a good fair exchange that Terra Firma can get kabola. Of course, this is the belief, of course, that kung papayag man na matrade si Stan Heidinger is because he wants to stay for a long term dito pa rin po sa PBA. So Sanggalang at the very least can be a reliable center po for Terra Firma. They can even trade him back to Converge if they want. And Alfaro has a good high potential. Kung makabal sa game mo, fair ba itong trade na to? Comment na po sa baba.